Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today's video is very important because we are going to tell you the secrets of health, by following which you will stay 100% away from the doctor. With simple home remedies you can live a healthy life. Honey and lemon water. Every morning, drink a glass of lukewarm water with a teaspoon of honey and lemon. It activates the digestive system, strengthens immunity, and keeps the skin fresh. Green leafy vegetables. Steam or include spinach, fenugreek, or greens in salads twice a week. They provide vitamins and minerals and help purify the blood. Milk or yogurt. Consume 2 glasses of milk or yogurt daily. It provides calcium for bones and teeth and strengthens immunity. Green tea. Instead of tea or coffee, drink 1 cup of green tea daily. Its antioxidants are beneficial for the heart and boost energy. Lemon water. Drink a glass of lukewarm water with lemon in the morning. It activates the stomach and strengthens immunity. Eat 2 tablespoons of roasted chickpeas, 2 to 3 dried dates, and 4 to 5 almonds before breakfast or in the evening on a light stomach. Daily consumption provides essential vitamins for the eyes, especially zinc and vitamin E, which help improve vision, reduce eye strain, and provide light energy to the body. Roasted chickpeas. Eat 2 tablespoons daily. They improve heart health and provide energy. Green tea. Drink 1 cup daily. It reduces free radicals and boosts energy. Almonds. Eat 5 almonds daily. They enhance brain function and are good for skin health. Walnuts. Eat daily. They strengthen the heart and improve memory. Yogurt. Consume half a cup daily. It aids digestion and provides calcium for bones. Spinach. Eat twice a week. It purifies the blood and provides vitamins and minerals. Fenugreek leaves. Include in salad twice a week. They boost energy and prevent anemia. Carrot. Eat 1 daily or make juice. Rich in vitamin A and beneficial for the eyes. Flax seeds. Consume 1 teaspoon daily. They lower cholesterol and protect the heart. Honey and cinnamon. Eat daily. They strengthen immunity and aid digestion. Milk with turmeric. Drink at night. Improves sleep and reduces joint pain. Morning water. Drink 2 glasses after waking. Prevents dehydration and boosts energy. Water throughout the day. Drink at least 8 glasses. Removes toxins and keeps the skin fresh. Prefer lukewarm water. Reduce cold water intake. Improves digestion and blood circulation. Fish. Eat twice a week. Provides omega-3 for brain and heart health. Olive oil. Consume 1 teaspoon daily or add to salad. Strengthens the heart and purifies the blood. Dried dates. Eat a small amount daily. Provides energy and aids digestion. Pumpkin seeds. Soak overnight and eat in the morning. Excellent for bladder and kidney health. Red chili powder in milk. Consume in small amounts. Boosts immunity and improves blood circulation. Apple. Eat 1 daily. Aids digestion and is beneficial for the heart. Banana. Eat 1 daily. Provides energy and balances blood pressure. Vegetables. Cook simply or steam. Provides vitamins and minerals and maintains healthy weight. Egg. Eat once a week. Provides protein and strengthens muscles. Green lentils. Eat twice a week. Provides protein and iron and boosts immunity. Green leaf juice. Drink 1 teaspoon daily. Detoxifies the body and provides vitamins. Sunflower seeds. Eat daily. Beneficial for heart and brain and keeps skin fresh. Small meals. Eat 5 to 6 times a day. Improves digestion and maintains energy. Reduce cold foods. Better for digestion and energy. Exercise or walk. Do light exercise daily. Strengthens heart and muscles and boosts energy. Avoid late night eating. Maintains weight and improves digestion. Honey and water. Drink 1 teaspoon daily. Boosts energy and strengthens immunity. Orange or tangerine. Eat once a week. Steam vegetables. Avoid excessive oil. Helps control weight and preserves vitamins. Reduce tea and coffee. Improves sleep and digestion. Lentil and chickpea salad. Eat once a week. Provides protein, fiber, and minerals. Yogurt with nuts. Consume 1 cup daily. Beneficial for digestion and heart health. Reduce cold drinks. Improves digestion and helps maintain healthy weight. Sunlight. Get 10 to 15 minutes daily. Provides vitamin D, strengthens bones, and boosts immunity. Avoid excess water at night. Drink balanced water during the day. Prevents dehydration and supports kidney health. Roasted chickpeas and dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios should be eaten daily in a small bowl. They are beneficial for both the heart and the brain, boost energy, and help maintain balanced blood-fat levels. Don't get lost in your pain. Know that one day your pain will become your cure.